Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the viral CapCut AI photo in elevator effect for 2025. It looks modern, cinematic, and super stylish, and the best part is it's very easy to make using CapCut's AI features. So let's get started. First, just open CapCut app, and then just create new projects, and then import the photo that you want to use like this. And then after that, adjust the aspect ratio based on where you want to post. For example, like 9:16 for the TikTok or Reels, and many more. And then also just crop the photo neatly so your subject stays centered and clean like this. And then next, just tap on the photo and then go to effect, this one, and then go to AI effect. And then just tap on seed dreams, this one, and then just tap on customize, and then just delete the prompt like this. And then next, just paste this prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, or just, or you can also tweak the prompt as you like to match your styles or to match your detail that you like. And then after that, just tap on generate. Okay, like this you will get 4 results. You can choose one that you like. And then after that, just tap on apply. And then when you get the result, just import the same photo like this. And then just make this AI result as an overlay like this, and then just place it above the original photo like this. And then just go to mask and then choose horizontal, and then just animate it so at the beginning the AI image is not visible like this, and then slowly, and then just add keyframes, and then at the end like this, slowly refill it until it fully covers the original photo. This creates a smooth and cinematic transition effect like this. Like this, and then just checklist, and your final video will look like this. Okay, like this, your CapCut AI photo elevator video is done. It's clean, stylish, and perfect for 2025 trends. Okay, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.